Hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to my channel. And if you are a new trader or you're an old trader looking for where's a free version where I don't have to put any money up to find an indicator that is simple to use, has a real simple buy sell indicator, and also with this indicator, if there's a free way to find a screener that you can actually screen for stocks, and it will give you what stocks actually fit this buy sell indicator. Well, you've come to the right video, you've come to the right channel, because I am going to give it to you all, and I'm going to give it to you all quickly, and I'll explain everything. And so let's get going. And before I do, this is just for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. Okay, let's get going. So this is the TradingView free app. And you open it up. All you have to do is you do have to give them your email address, start an account, and this is the free version. And so you'll open up a page like this, and we just go to products. And I'm going to click on my super charts. And here we go. This is my chart setup. Nice buy sell indicators here. And this is what I use. This is my subchart is the MACD. And as you can see, I got buy sell indicators. And so it's got the 4 moving averages. This white one is a SMA 180, the blue is an SMA 50, the yellow an EMA 20, and the red is an SMA 9. And then I got buy sell indicators all along here. Nice and simple. So where do you find this indicator? Well, I'm going to click out of here. I'm going to delete them. So here we go. You just simply click up here on indicator. I'm going to type in SMA 9/50/180 EMA 20 buy sell. It's this M Phillips SCVZW. That's a mouthful. And you just click on there and it pops up. Now as you can see, there's this like indicator. I would call it almost like a super trend indicator here. For me, that's too many lines. So you can go to settings. You just, this like weird octagon thing with an eye, I call it. And you go to style. You can go to inputs and you can change. So let's say instead of the white line is a 180, you could make it a 200, which is it's almost the same. Yeah. Sorry. You're like, get with it, Eric. Here we go. And so, but, or you can just type in, I like 180, so I stick with 180. So that's how you can make changes with it, any of them. And so, but style, this buy sell chart line, you did not see it on there because I just don't like it. I just think it's too many lines. And, if you like it, you can keep it on there. And so it's kind of nice and clean. And then a subchart, I'm going to click on indicators here and type in MACD. You can use whatever subchart you want. You could use Stoch or RSI or just the regular RSI. I use them both sometimes, but I basically, for the most part, just stick with MACD. And here we go. So we're also, this is phenomenal for a free version. The guy did really good for buy sell, and you get the 4 moving averages, and then you also get this subchart. If you try to put in another indicator, a window's going to pop up and you're going to have to pay a monthly fee. So this is nice for just a free version. And as you can see to the right, I get to put a bunch of watch list things. I'll scroll up with what I'm kind of sort of looking at. As you can see, VOO, Bitcoin, These are my regular stocks that I just look at. You can add them too. Trying to create as much value as I can for everybody. So then the screener, you're like, where's the screener? Tell me about this screener. So we're going to go here, and back in the opening page, you'll have to go into another TradingView window up here, and we got screeners. We don't want bonds or ETFs, but you could screen for them. We're going to go on stocks, and we get this page. 13,000 is too many stocks to look at, so we click this plus sign. It's going to add a new filter. I immediately go to market data and click on that, and it's this top one, average volume. And then I like to go to 30 days. You could do 60 days, 90, 10. I choose 30, and I just simply click add the filter. You do have to click on it again to manual setup to make some changes. I got to add some sort of value, and I like 1 million because I like liquidity. You can put whatever number you want. 500,000 I think would be fine as well. It's whatever you prefer. Here we go down. We're already down to 2,200. Then I'm going to click a new filter. So I simply click the plus sign, and I'm going to plug in MACD and stick with the 1 day. Free version, you can only do 1 day, weekly, or monthly. Anything lower, and again, you'll have to pay. Click on the MACD, and level crosses up. And we're down to 110, so we're looking good. Now I'm going to do SMA and 200. On the daily still, add filter. And I'm going to click on it again, and I want it below price. Down to 35, and one more SMA. And I'm going to go with the 9, add filter. And we're going to go below price 0 to 10%. 24 is a little bit too many stocks for me to look at. I still would look at them. And I'll show you, if you get stuck with 24, I would just start going by volume. Start with the highest volume, and I would just start with these top 10. These are good because, like I said, I like liquidity. So that would be these. That's another way to weed them out. You could go to analyst rating. Strong buy, start with the strong buys and just the buys, and that'll shorten it up too. We're probably looking at 10, 15. Just giving you another way, or, you know, price change. Or I do like to look at growth, not descending, but ascending. You know, look at companies that are doing fairly well. But if edit all, we're still at 24, so I would go to, we're at 0 to 10%. I would like to click on here, and I like to go to manual setup, and I like to bring it a little bit closer to the 9. So I go to 0 to 3% and apply. And we are down to 10. This is very nice. And by growth, you know, this looks like, and we got strong buys. We got this group I've never heard of, which is one of the parts I like about being a swing trader. And this looks like a nice swing trade. It's up. You can click on this ruler to measure things. See how much this has gone down. 38%. This is looking kind of good. MACD just crossed up. It went down and under. So we had a big pullback. And now it's going up again. This is interesting. And so, yeah, it's March 9th, so this is interesting. I might wait till a full candle close goes above this 9, maybe wait for this to go up maybe a little bit more before I got in. But yeah, definitely a possibility here. So we go back, and here's the list. So just to leave it up for you guys. So yeah, that's it. Nice and simple is how I like it. I hope this gave you some value. If it did, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, I do hope you have a great day and a great week coming up here, and I will see you on the next video.